Hey guys, Wesley Long here, and one of the services we provide at Instinct Ready is to work with organizations both big and small to provide custom products to meet their needs. Now recently we had the privilege of working with the Marshall County School District in Alabama to provide custom bleeding control kits to their 10 campuses. Here's what their emergency manager Martin Killian said about the experience.
But what y'all built out for us was absolutely perfect for, like I said, for K through 12. One of my students actually made a comment the other day. We broke one out and was looking at it. And she said, should each teacher have one in their classroom? I said, absolutely. Small, simple. That's one thing I like about it. It's small. Put it wherever you want to, but it's got everything you need in it.
Yep, right.
You know, so just the customization of it, I think is a huge selling point all the way around. So what we thought we would do would be mount them on basically on top of the fire extinguisher box. That way, right there, they're there, and they've got, you know, at least everybody knows where they are.
Yep.
I teach law enforcement, fire, and emergency medicine. Our transportation supervisor was like, we need those on the buses.
We appreciate you, man. We appreciate you, all that you're doing there. The fact that your school district on a whole is keeping their head on a swivel. That's the trend. We've been talking to a lot of school districts here of late and some universities, and this is the trend. Yeah. It's not going backwards. We're only moving forward with this. So we appreciate you guys being kind of the tip of the spear there, taking safety so seriously.
Oh, yeah.